Mwamsi omachore bwegwadi ya Nyansiongo musike Jackson Mugusu niga mwachirie eketuo kiaba gose egetaseni kiaba nyimbo kia matatu ase gotakora mirimo ya boboikiranu anmono ase ogokora omuchando gwa maru hayuare ase insemechio niga tabire buna niga brachi kwimukia egetambukero gose bitambukero onye egetaseni ekiongerero chikoimukia egetambukero ekio nakwaneke muna amaru atancheiri ngo erare korwa ase chinsemechio.
I want to address Matutu Police Station, which has no speed, it has no CS, it has a DCI, it has officers whom their duty by law is to protect life, property. And what is happening now? They are condoning, they are complementing illicit rule. If you cannot tame illicit rule, are you going to protect the life of all these people? Itawezekana kweli? Matutu Police Station ni hapa. Pombe inauzwa hapa. What are you doing? Nimeuliza even DCC. Ameniambia challenge is in the police. You are not employed to seek for bribery and protect a felony. That is very wrong. We are taking to higher levels. We rather have people crying for food than having people who don't want food. Ustabona abantu baminto. Ntoko chiwanja abana betu basire turigereretie. Ngasi kirende toko chiko. Mbara bingo chikokorere gasi. Mbara bingo chikorigere chigasi nyamira. Abantu baminto toimukerere igoro. Amaru narare license ya kunywegwa anywegwa ro. Lakini ayara amarioga abana baminto banyura. Mani aheriro mubere. Ya muyo koragera yaerire okorore ndagera watama amaje kwesibi tutageti kogenda mugundu tutageti jameni gaki abaminto onye kwa ngakirete kuranji kurenda maru to ngakira naende tubona ni abaminto yes igasi inko ye korande o speed ya nganye usakura marwa kuibona tuligo bya mono sana.